What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here with Mendez more detailing. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure you comment, make sure you like this video, and also make sure you subscribe. So we are here on the field. So we actually try to put up this canopy, and it turns out it's broken. So it broke on us, unfortunately, and we can't use it. So we gotta buy a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and take the risk and detail out here in the direct sunlight with this black X3 that we're gonna go ahead and do. So I'm gonna just show you how the overall condition is not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and wash and wax it, do an interior detail, all that good stuff, take care of the leather seats and all the trim. This is the BMW X3 right here. So you guys see there's a couple bugs on the front end, stuff like that. Overall, it's not too bad. Honestly, the client's taking stuff out the vehicle, so I'm not gonna try to show him too much, but you guys see the interior, not bad at all. Carpets are nice and protected. Seats are gonna get some leather treatment. Get this car ready for the road trip and stuff like that for the weekend, because it is July 4th weekend. So it's gonna look nice and clean. Smell good too. We got this. Perfect. So we're gonna start by pre-spraying the wheels and tires. Since these are black rims, we need to make sure that we clean them at least 2 times. So there's, you know, super easy to notice stuff on.
Variables of human life and make something out of the crazy quilt that saves hundreds of lives.
Guys, so we just finished the detail on this BMW X3 here. You guys can see this thing is looking good as new. Of course, we added our Mendez magic touch to it. Got this thing shining from all different angles. I'm gonna show y'all the interior here in a second. We also have another one, which is over there, that white Mercedes we're gonna do next. So we're gonna take this one out our way, pull that one in, and start on that car. Here's a look at the interior. Left for a custom air freshener. If you want to check that out, link will be in the description. It's called makemyfreshener.com. You can fully customize it, put your logo on it, and add a little bit of a touch to your details, you guys. You can see here we're in the back seat. Got the panoramic roof. I don't know if that's what it's called, but we're gonna call it that. Windows are done, doors are cleaned, the wheels are cleaned. Trunk was properly vacuumed as well. You can see it. Make sure we clean it under here as well.